God bless you. How are you on today? I'm so excited to get on here and talk to you. Come on in the room. So I am on my way to an appointment, but I was like, you know what? I want to get on here and talk to you right quick. Hold on 1 second. Okay, fabulous. So I had to make sure you could hear me over here on YouTube. So you guys, listen, let me put my seatbelt on. I am going to be having an event coming up on January 23rd. I need to sit y'all down for a second. I apologize. Sorry. Okay, I have an event coming up. Who am I? I'm Garlinda Price. I'm the agency owner and I'm the National Sales Director of Fusion Insurance Group, powered by none other than Senior Life Insurance Company. And you probably all have seen my videos talking about and telling you that we are going to be having free leads, a free lead program. It actually has already started and it launches Monday. But listen, if you are in North Carolina or South Carolina and you are within driving distance, I want you to attend our event. I'm not sure that we're going to go live, so I can't promise you that we're going to do it over on Zoom. But I know I can tell you it's going to be awesome, right? So it's going to be January, and that's not what I got on here to tell you, but I just want to let you know. So it's going to be January the 23rd, and it is going to be our meet and greet starts at 9 a.m. and our opportunity meeting is going to start at 10 a.m. But I have talked to so many of you guys. I just want to tell you I thank you for those of you that have reached out to me, that trust me, have trusted me enough to partner with me in business. Shout out to my phenomenal team. But for those of you that are really struggling in your business, or you were at Senior Life a long time ago, you weren't on the team that you were, kind of bowled over about, and or it just wasn't a good fit, you need to come back to Senior Life. Seriously, we don't have territories. Let me make sure y'all can hear me. Hold on a second. Okay, there are no territories. There's no funny math. There's no funny math on your commissions. There's no caps on your compensation because when you sell with some companies, you're capped on how much you can earn per home. You're capped on how much you can get paid in advance or advanced per transaction. Your leads may not be the most recent up-to-date lead source. We have live TV transfer leads here, right? And I know that a lot of people have asked me and spoken to me about how being able to contact leads is changing. And so you've got to be with a company that is cutting edge. You've got to be with a company that says, you know what, we see or saw afar off what was coming down the pipeline, and we've created a program for our agents to succeed so that they're not going to have a break in their income. They're not going to have any gaps in their income. I want you to call me and talk to me. If you were in the industry and you just kind of got disheartened or discouraged, this industry is like that. Like I was laughing with somebody. I was like, this is the first industry I've been in my 35 years of being in business, where you can't make some of the stuff up that people do and say. It's so weird and kooky, right? It's just, almost you just, I hate to use that word, but you just can't make it up. And so if you just haven't had a bad experience, you don't want to just throw the baby out with the bathwater. You don't want to throw your whole career in insurance away. You don't want to throw your opportunity to earn a 6, 7, and 8-figure income away. And even if you haven't made $100, even if you haven't made 1,000, 10,000, 100, that does not matter. You can make money. You just have to stay the course if you don't quit. And sometimes we don't realize that the enemy will send people, places, things, anything that he can to throw up as an obstacle so that we get off of our course, we get off of our path, and then we pivot. And all of a sudden we find ourselves back in the same place where we were, starting all over again. So if that's you, you got discouraged and you got out of the industry, or you're on your way out of the industry, right? I've been there, done that. I get it, right? I felt that way when I first got started 4 years ago. I was like, okay, this is for the birds. However, this is where the Lord called me to, and I already was making money. I just didn't love where I was, right? And so now I'm at Senior Life. It's Senior Life all your life. I'm not a broker anymore. I don't write for a whole bunch of different carriers. I do not miss writing for a whole bunch of different carriers. There are niches and there are riches in niches. You've got to specialize. If that's the one piece of advice I could give those of you that are new in the industry and or got disheartened in the industry because you were trying to be a broker, or you just didn't have great success, you've got a niche. You got to find, you got to specialize. And what I think is important is that you specialize in a growing facet of the industry, which is the senior market. Because if you're in any other market that's not the senior market, it's like you're kind of spinning your wheels or making up stuff. Now is not the time to specialize in mortgage insurance or mortgage protection insurance. It's because of where interest rates are, because of where mortgages are. The real estate industry is down. You're learning, I'm telling you this from a 16-year real estate veteran, a successful real estate veteran. So I'm not just making that up, right? And 60,000 agents have left the industry. 500,000 mortgage lenders have gotten completely out of the mortgage business. And so now is not the time to specialize in mortgage protection. It's just not. And when you have a silver tsunami, which I don't know if that's, I don't mean that in a derogatory way, but when you have 10,000 baby boomers a day coming into the industry, you have people that have policies that they're aging out of. They have term policies that are doing two things right now. They have a term policy that's either about to expire, or they have a term policy that's getting ready to renew because they got a renewable term product and they didn't know it, right? And so that now is the perfect time for them to get a whole life product, to get final expense burial insurance. You have 60% of the population, 64% of the population does not have insurance. So you're coming in at a great time. Don't leave the industry, and or if you left, come back. Come back to Senior Life. We do have a free lead program, a free live transfer lead program that launches on Monday, but there are some parameters around it, right? It's not just free willy-nilly to everybody and their mom. We don't want to partner with everybody. We attract, right? We don't recruit, we attract. And so I want you to give me a call. If you're like, Garlinda, I need help. Like, I have the willingness, I have the grit, meaning I'm willing to do the work. I'm coachable, I'm trainable, I'm all in. This is what I want to do. I want you to give me a call. My number is 910-494-7798. And I will tell you that this is not an easy business. Don't think that you're not great at it. It's not easy. It's a tough business, but it's a simple business. And I tell you, the people that make it are the ones that stick and stay. And I never thought I would hear myself saying that, right? But it's the truth. If you stick and if you stay, you will have great success. The first year in life insurance is the hardest, right? It's the hardest. It's when everybody quits. And then when it's time to get on the phones and start making the dials and people start telling you no, they start cursing you out, they start yelling, they start hanging up on you, or they can't afford it. A lot of times people get discouraged, but so what? It's just part for the course. You have to know this is a mindset business. And you want to be on a team that is helping you build and grow your mindset, because even at 35 years in business, I still need to adjust my mindset. I still have to feed my mind with positive thoughts of positive things and be able to complain up and tell my partner, my senior partner, hey, oh gosh, today sucked. I got beat upside the head, right? We need to be able to tell each other that so we can hold each other accountable. So if you don't mind accountability, you like structure, you like systems, and you're willing to put in the work, I want you to give me a call. But if you're just looking for something to do every now and again, and it's not part-time or full-time for you, it's kind of sometime, we wouldn't fit, because we are literally building an empire. We're building a powerhouse team across the country, and we're looking for people that want to do the same. We're looking for people that want to earn 4 figures, 5 figures, 6 figures, 7 figures, 8 figures. You get to decide for yourself how much you want to earn, but there are some parameters around. I'm trying to figure out why the policeman in front of me is driving so slow. I don't know what he has going on. But anyway, so I'm going to go. So just in case he's looking at me recording a video trying to figure out what's going on, we would love to talk to you if that's you. If you're interested in our free lead program, and even if you're not, if you're like, Garlinda, I just want to make some money. I have money to invest in my leads. I have money to invest in my business. My team and I are just looking for a place to call home. I definitely want you to call me, because we can talk about maybe getting you on a higher comp plan, you and your team, helping you get the success that you've been looking to have that you have not yet found, or taking your business to the next level. Let's grow. God bless you, and I'll talk to you soon. Again, it's Garlinda Price, agency owner and national sales director, powered by Senior Life Insurance.